Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics and Tag Manager tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to track WIX forms in Google Analytics. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So here we have a WIX site, we have a form, a WIX form, and we want to track this as an event in Google Analytics. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to Google Tag Manager. So as a prerequisite, you need to have Google Tag Manager installed on all your WIX pages. We have a video on that. You can watch it and you can do it. Now, we are going to click on Preview on the top right-hand side. And one thing we're going to do is to open the Tag Assistant. So how this is going to happen, the Tag Assistant will open. We will insert the URL where the form lives here, and we are going to click connect. Once we do that, in your browser, you are going to see that you have this URL here with a box on the bottom right-hand side that says Tag Assistant, and this is the Tag Assistant. The Tag Assistant here tells you what is happening behind the scenes in your website. So what I want you to do is, on the page that is connected with the Tag Assistant, go and find the form, right? Before you start completing the form, go to the Tag Assistant and look on the left-hand side here and remember these numbers. So we are at number 15 here. So what we're going to do is we're going to complete the form. So we are going to type here test at test.com. For example, we're going to type a phone number. We're going to select here some placeholders, and we are going to press submit. Before we press submit, one more time, we are going to go to Tag Assistant and we are going to look at the left hand side. We're going to remember which number we are on here. We are at 32. And when we press submit here, so we need to put a correct email. When we press submit, the form is going to be submitted. So here it says thank you for reaching out. We are going to go to the Tag Assistant, and here you can see two events on the left-hand side. One that is called Form Submit, and another one that is called Generate Lead. So WIX has this specific way of working where when you submit a native WIX form, it triggers these two events. One that is called Form Submit. So this custom event is called Form Submit. And then it triggers another event that is called Generate Lead. We are going to use the form submit event. So we are going to copy the name of this custom event, form_submit. And this is standard for every WIX website. Every WIX website works in exactly the same way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Tag Manager and we are going to create a new tag. We are going to call this, for example, WIX form submission. So, and we are going to click on tag configuration. Here we're going to select Google Analytics and we're going to say Google Analytics GA4 event. And here in the tag configuration, we are going to write the event name. So we can call it anything really, but just don't leave spaces. So we are going to call it form submission, for example. And here we need to paste the measurement ID of our Google Analytics data stream, which means we are going to go to our Google Analytics here. So we are going to go to our Google Analytics. We're going to do this together. We are going to open our Google Analytics account right here. We are going to click on admin on the bottom left-hand side. We are going to select data streams. And here we're going to click on the data stream and we're going to copy this measurement ID. So we're going to copy the measurement ID from our data stream and we are going to insert it right here. Then when it comes to triggering, we said that we are going to use this WIX native event, which is called form submit. So we're going to create a new trigger. We are going to call it basically form_submit. It doesn't matter how you're going to name it. And when it comes to trigger configuration, you're going to click here and you're going to select custom event. And here you are going to say form_submit. Essentially, you need to enter the name of the custom event exactly as it is found on the Tag Assistant here, basically. So form_submit. So you're going to enter basically this one. You're going to say all custom events. you are going to save, and the next step is you are going to save, submit, and publish your container. So what we did here is we created a Google Analytics event that lives inside this measurement ID that is going to be called form submission, and it fires every time someone comes on our Wix website, submits a form, and this event is triggered behind the scenes, which means there is a complete form submission. Now, you may say, okay, that's great. What if I want to track form submissions, but for different pages? For example, I want to track form submission only on the home page, only on the contact us page, for example, only on, let's say, whatever page. How am I going to do that? Very simply, what you need to do is in Google Tag Manager here in the trigger, you are going to add another condition basically. So you're going to modify basically this trigger here, and you are going to say not all custom events, but some custom events that happen, for example, on the page URL that contains /contact that equals, for example, your homepage. This is how you can track Wix form submissions on specific pages. But in general, remember that form submit is the default form submission event in Wix, and the setup for Google Analytics is exactly as you can see here. So you are going to insert your measurement ID, you're going to name your event, and the triggering is going to be custom event, all custom events that are called form_submit. You save, submit, publish, and that's it. That's how you can track Wix forms in Google Analytics. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.